Hello friends, welcome to Macnotech YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss on three-wire method. In previous video we have discussed about two-wire method. So basically three-wire method is useful for measuring the effective diameter and it is the most accurate method of measurement of pitch diameter. Now, as shown in figure, you can see in figure D is the diameter of wire, E is the effective or we can say pitch diameter of the screw thread, H is the diameter over wire, okay, you can see in the figure, and Y is the diameter under wire, and P, small p, that is the pitch of thread, right? Now, as shown in figure, first of all, we have to find H, that is the diameter of wire, capital H, that is the diameter over the wire. So, H is equal to E plus 2 into OR plus 2 into OQ. You can see here in this figure, okay. So, H is equal to, it is E plus 2 into OR plus 2 into OQ. Now, for find out the OR, so here OR is equal to OG minus RG. Okay, you can see here in this figure OR is equal to OG minus RG, right? So we have to find OG first. So from the triangle, you can see here, this is a triangle O, L and G, which is taken from here O, L, G. So from this triangle, sine theta by 2 is equal to OL upon OG, right? So here we can say OG is equal to OL upon sine theta by 2, and OL is equal to, from the figure OL is equal to, it is D by 2. Here you can see OL, this is D by 2, right? So here OL is equal to D by 2. So here OG is equal to D by 2 sine theta by 2, right? So this is OG, right? Now for find out the RG, we have to consider another triangle, that is NIK, okay? If you see this figure NIK, right? So this triangle we have considered here, and this is M, okay? So here in triangle NIK, we can say tan theta by 2 is equal to IK upon IN, okay? And IK is equal to P by 2 and IN, that is M. So here we can say M is equal to P by 2 tan theta by 2. So basically RG is equal to M by 2, okay? So RG, that is M by 2. From figure you can see the figure, right? So RG is equal to M by 2 is equal to P by 4 tan theta by 2. And finally we have to find the H, that is the diameter over the wire. So for find out the H is equal to E plus 2 OR plus 2 OQ. So we have to put the value of OR and OQ which we have find out, right? So here this is the value of OR and OQ, that is D by 2. And finally it is a very simple calculation here. So here if you can see D is common over here, and 1 upon sine theta by 2 plus 1 minus P upon 2 tan theta by 2, then sine theta by 2 is equal to, we can say 1 cosec theta by 2, 1 upon sine theta by 2 is equal to cosec theta by 2, 1 upon tan theta by 2 is equal to cot theta by 2. So finally we can find H by this way, right? After find out this H, okay, we have two methods, that is metric thread and Whitworth thread. So for the metric thread, theta is equal to 60, okay, and depth of the thread is equal to 0.6495 P. So effective diameter E is equal to D minus 0.6495 P. Okay, now put the value of these all things, okay, in this equation, E and theta, right? So E is equal to D minus 0.6495 P and theta is equal to 60. Put the value in this equation, and finally H is equal to D plus 3D minus 1.5155 P. So this is a metric thread. Now for Whitworth thread, E is equal to this D minus 0.64 P and theta is equal to 55, right? So put these two value in the same equation H, and you will get H is equal to D plus 3.1656 D minus 1.6 P. So this is about the metric thread and Whitworth thread, right? By this way, we can find out the diameter over the wire, that means H, and effective diameter E, right? So if you like this video, then press like button, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.